Hello, this is Tribal War tool version 3. What you do is just download the zip file, unzip it. Oh, I already have it unzipped, so here you go. And just open it up and run the setup. And then it just tells you to install it, and then it opens up here. And this is the new tool. Right now this is a limit size window I got when I'm recording this video, so it might be, it will be bigger in your screen. What you do is just type in which Tribal War you're playing. I'm just playing on the .NET. So you go here and you log in as you usually do, and here you have the startup screen. And right now there's no cities or farms or anything in the game here. So what I do, just to get the cities in, just go to the overview, and it will take my city and put it in here. Then I can select it by double clicking it, and over here the city name is up here. I'll get a construction order list and then a city farming list. Here you can add to the construction query here, so you can add in which order you want to build things, and it will automatically, every time a tick is run, it will see if this is available or if you have resources and that there's a room in the construction query to put it in. And if there's not room, then it will stop at the first one. So this is very cool, because then you don't have to pay to get an extended list down here, and you don't have to wait. So it's pretty neat. Just gonna delete these. So yeah, so this is the construction query, and that's new compared to the other one. And in order to add farms, you just go to the map and select a city you want to farm, and then a button comes up here, and you can add it to the list here. You can go back, and you can go into another here. So if this button doesn't come up, it normally means that you already have the farm in your list, or if it's not in the list, you can just press farms here, and if the button doesn't come up, then you already have that city in your list. So that's just the way you just add all the farms here, and they're not connected to any city or anything. Then you select the city you want. I only have one, and you select or you build up a farming list. You do that by pressing plus, and up here is the cities over here, and they're sorted by the distance they are away from the selected city up here. And then you select one of them, and you have a protection period. This means that after last attack on this city, how many hours should go or should pass before you again are able to attack this city. So you do that individually for each city. Put in how many hours protection there are, and you put in what kind of armor you want to attack it with. And if you put in horses, it's always the slowest that decides the time for the army to get to that target city. So here you can see the distance, and you can see the time in minutes it takes for the army to get there, and then of course it has to go back. And here you can tell it to include a spy if you have spies, and also include your paladin if it's available. Then just press add, and then you get it over in this list. I'll just do this quickly. So now we have all these targets. So now we want to start farming and start constructing up here. Then you can just set the timer over here. You can set it to whatever you want, which interval you want to be at. Normally it's about, if I would think it's about 15 minutes would be nice. Then you just press here and then it will count down to the next tick where it will trigger this over here. Right now I'm just gonna trigger this manually. You can do that by pressing this blue up here, and you will see a window opening up, and it will send the armies to those cities because I already have enough soldiers in the city. So if I press this, you can see this. It's opening up here and it's sending the armies, and now it's sent to the cities here. Just need to update this here. So I'll just cancel those two. Yes. So this is one way. It will do it every time this counts down. It will go through the construction list, see if it can add something to your construction list in your headquarters, and it will go through the farming list and see if there's targets that are available for attacking, and if you have the units to attack it also. Over here you can also right click and delete it. You can activate it or deactivate it. You can update the attack, so you can update how many units it should use and stuff like that. And you can also set it non-active. That's the same shortcut as if you are deactivating it here. You can also say if you want to attack this again or the next time, then you can just enable attack, and then it will be available the next round. Or you can disable the attack, and then it won't be available. And of course you can delete it also from your farming list, and then of course it will be in this list again, because this is the ones or the farms over here that you don't already have in your farming list. So that's just the way it works. It's pretty simple. Of course, if you have a city over here that you are deleting, then it will delete that city or that farm for every city you have which have it in the farming list. And the fun thing about this is that you can play on different kind of worlds, and you can have the different kind of cities on those worlds, and they will all be stored in the database with the unique key for that world. So that's about it. That's pretty much all there is to it. It's just building up your list of available farms, and then selecting the farms you want to attack from this city or other cities, and then every time it triggers a run here, it will go through the list and attack him, and it will go through the construction order list and fill in your build or construction list here. It will add them to them and then remove them from this list up here. So that's it. And then this number up here is every time you see the updates, the screens that are coming up, this determines how fast they are ticking through this list. So if you have a lot of list or a lot of cities here, and you have a good internet connection, you can put this down below 1 second, and then it will tick through faster. Or you can, if you have a bad internet connection, you can put it up, and then it will take time or it will take 2 seconds for each item to be checked through. That's just a little thing so you can tweak it if it skips. You can see it skipped one city here. So this is just to be able to adjust it yourself. And that's it for this tutorial. You can download this at as the link below, and then I just wish you good hunting.